Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Claude, Anthropic's AI assistant, from absolute scratch. We'll cover creating your free account, getting your API key, installing Python, writing your first AI-powered app, and running it. I'll show you everything the way I personally set it up on my own Windows machine. So let's jump right in. So first, what is Claude? Claude is an AI assistant built by a company called Anthropic. Think of it like a super smart colleague who can write emails for you, help you write code, analyze documents, do research, plan your projects, and have a full conversation with you, all in plain English. What makes Claude special is that it's incredibly good at following instructions, it's honest about what it doesn't know, and it produces really clean, professional outputs. You can use Claude in 2 ways, through the website at claude.ai, which is free to start, or through the API if you want to build your own apps. Today I'll show you both. Step 1. Creating your free account. Open any browser and go to claude.ai. You'll see a clean welcome screen. Click on Sign Up. It's completely free to start. Enter your email address, create a password, and verify your email. That's literally it. Once you're in, you'll land on the main chat interface. You can start chatting with Claude right away, no credit card needed. The free plan gives you a good number of messages per day, which is more than enough to get started. I personally started on the free plan before upgrading. Once your account is ready, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Getting your API key. This is needed if you want to build apps that use Claude programmatically. Go to console.anthropic.com and sign in with the same account. On the left sidebar, click on API keys. Click Create Key. Give it a name like My First Key and hit Create. Now, this is really important. Copy the key immediately and save it somewhere safe. Once you close this window, you cannot see it again. It looks like a long string starting with sk-ant-. Store it in a text file or password manager for now. One more thing, never share your API key publicly or commit it to GitHub. I'll show you the safe way to store it using a .env file in just a moment. You'll also need to add some credits. Even a $5 top-up is enough to get started. Step 3. Installing Python. Claude's API works with Python, so we need that installed first. Go to python.org. Click Downloads, and download the latest version for Windows. Run the installer, and this is important. Make sure you tick the checkbox that says Add Python to Path before clicking Install. Once installed, open your terminal. That's the command prompt or PowerShell. Type py-version and hit Enter. If you see something like Python 3.14, you're good to go. On Windows, the command is py, not Python. Remember that. We'll use py throughout this tutorial. Python is the programming language we'll use to talk to Claude's API. Step 4. Setting up your project folder. Open your terminal and navigate to wherever you want to work. I personally use a folder called Git on my desktop. Create a new folder. Let's call it My Claude App. Inside that folder, create 2 files. First, a file called .env. This is where your secret API key goes. Inside it, type Anthropic_API_key equals, then paste your key. This file should never go to GitHub. Always add it to .gitignore. Second, create a file called requirements.txt. Inside, type Anthropic, then on the next line, python.env. Now in your terminal, run py-m pip install -our requirements.txt. This installs the Anthropic SDK. If you get a warning about Python 3.14 compatibility, don't worry. Just make sure you have the latest version of the Anthropic package. Step 5. Writing your first Claude app. Create a new file called app.py. At the top, import the Anthropic library and .env. Call load_.env to load your API key from the .env file. Then create a client. Client equals Anthropic. Now write the main function. Use client.messages.create. Set the model to Claude Sonnet 4-6. Set max_tokens to 1024 and pass a messages list with role user and your content. Then print the response. That's the core of any Claude app, just those few lines. Save the file, go back to your terminal, and run it with pyapp.py. Within a second or two, you'll see Claude's response printed in your terminal. Congratulations, you just built your first AI-powered app. Step 6. Setting up VS Code and Git, which I highly recommend. VS Code is the best free code editor. Download it from code.visualstudio.com. Install it, then open your project folder in VS Code. Install the Python extension from the Extensions panel. This gives you code highlighting and autocomplete. For Git, download it from git-scm.com. Open your terminal and run git init to initialize a new repository. Create a .gitignore file and add .env to it. This keeps your API keys safe. Then run git add .gitcommit-m first commit. If you want to back up to GitHub, create a free account at github.com, create a new repository, and push your code. This way your code is safe, version controlled, and accessible from anywhere. Before I wrap up, here are my top tips from personal experience. Number 1. Always store API keys in .env files, never hardcode them. Number 2. Be specific in your prompts. The more detail you give Claude, the better the output. Number 3. Use the act as technique. For example, act as a senior Python developer and review my code. Number 4. Claude remembers the conversation, so ask follow-up questions. Number 5. If Claude gives a wrong answer, just say that's not right, try again, it will course correct. And number 6. Start with the free web interface before moving to the API. Get comfortable with prompting first. And that's it. You now know everything you need to get started with Claude. We covered creating your free account, getting your API key, installing Python, setting up your project, writing your first app, and connecting it all with VS Code and Git. This is exactly the setup I use personally, and it works really well. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll be making more AI tutorials just like this one. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing with Claude.